To install HSV on your mobile device, go to App Store on your phone. Search HSV, which stands for Smart Viewer, Honeywell Smart Viewer. Search this. The first app that comes up is not one you want to be a part of, probably. Go to HSV. It has this red with that little squiggly thing. Get that and install it. Open the app. HSV would like to send you notifications. You can don't allow or allow, whatever you want to do. Find and connect devices. Would you like to find and connect your devices on your local network? Sure. You can enable Face ID on your HSV. That'll make things easier. This is a small amount of instruction. To add a device, you want to add device. You go to P2P device. When it asks you, you must log into the cloud account before adding a device via P2P. Do you want to log in now? You can say OK, and when you get here, just click Quick Login. If you select Quick Login, you don't have to have dual authentication, which is fine for this because there's other passwords that you're going to use to make it safe to log in. Do you want to continue? Say yes, and this will allow you to not have to have the dual authentication and an authenticator installed, make it quicker. Create a new cloud account. You don't want to do, well, you can click on that as well, but click this quick login. Create new cloud account. Create a username, a password, and input your email address. Once you push next, it will send an email to your email address that you input with a code. Input that code to log into your device. Multi-factor authentication. You want to disable this. There's risks. Yes. Disable. Say OK. Quick login is set. Brad Stevens. Your password is whatever you made your password to be. Click on Add Device. You want to do P2P device. So click on P2P. When it's trying to scan the QR code, you don't want to do that. You go to Manual Setup. From Manual Setup, you can nickname this anything you want. We'll just name it Test. The QR code is the code that you're going to get from Security Services, and you will install that big, very long number and letter code. Be careful of your zeros and your O's and your ones and your I's. Most of these codes are in all caps. You will need to put in your username and your password. Those, as well as the code, is what you will get from Security Services for your device. After you have input the nickname, the code, the username, and the password, you don't need the security code. Push Save. Once it saves that device, you can go to the device. You can click on it. It's not on a Wi-Fi right now. That's okay. And you can start to pull up your different cameras. They'll pull up one at a time. It'll start with the first camera. Down here in the bottom is this little grid pattern. You could choose to show more cameras at one time, and it'll pull each one of those up at the same time. If it doesn't show you all your cameras still, you can scroll to the other cameras and you can see everything you need to see. If there's one particular camera that you're seeing in the full grid that you want to look at, you can double tap that and it will show you that one specific camera, and you can scroll back and forth between cameras just with a swipe.